Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. I want to quickly look into some of the questions that I constantly receiving from the public, from members of the public, and also from some reliable farms or constant farms rather, with regards to their position on the death of their husband or on the death of their wife. You know, your position on the death of your husband in the UK when it comes to applying to remain in the United Kingdom come as one of those that you need to be aware of. You need to be aware of. Good morning to you. My name is Tokunbo Olagbaye. Tokunbo Olagbaye. I welcome you on my timeline. I'm located in London. My office is in London. I, have lots of social media handles that I deal with education of people staying, coming, living United Kingdom. One of my timeline is where you are seeing me right now, YouTube, Leah Tokunbo Olagbaye YouTube page. I also have an handler on Facebook, which is also Leah Tokunbo Olagbaye TV page. I think I have almost 69,000 followers on Facebook, which I think is my biggest follower, biggest social media rather. I also have about 4,000 plus or 5,000 on YouTube following me here. So like and subscribe. On Instagram, I have over 10,000 also on Instagram. I have over 10,000 on Instagram as well. I don't necessarily like to come out unless there is a pressure for me to do so. The pressure I have this morning is on the death of a partner who is a British citizen, and the other person want to apply to remain in the UK. I think I have a bit of those questions, and that's the reason why. Thank you. Amen. And that's the reason why I want to. I know I always have you on my line, all of you. And that's the reason why I want to quickly shed light on this one quickly before I dip my head into Monday's job. Before I dip my head, and once I dip into it, social media is not my friend once I start my work. But then I like to do social media once in a week. My favorite layer. Good morning. Thank you, dear. Thank you. Much love. Thank you. Indefinite leave to remain as a bereaved partner. Thank you. Indefinite leave to remain as a bereaved partner. I'm on 0208 309 8808. 0208 309 8808. I am also on WhatsApp 07908 628240, official WhatsApp 07908 628240. Alternatively, you can just hook me up on any of my social media, but I don't necessarily come on social media to chat personal messages there. So you are better off placed to connect with me on my WhatsApp 07908 628240 for all the inquiries you may need. That WhatsApp is an official WhatsApp. It's not my private number. So I will answer questions as for officially there. I'm looking at the issue of indefinite leave to remain for bereaved partner, which is also similar to those who are fleeing domestic violence as well. But they are different because of the documentation you have to produce. They are different. Now, on the issue of those who marry to a settled partner or a British citizen, whether you are a male or female, without prejudice, you should always remember, without prejudice, you must comply with all the necessary requirements for you to be able to do the right thing at the right time. Now, when you are making an application to the Secretary of State to remain in the UK, one thing you have to demonstrate in the first instance is that you must be in the UK. If you are going to apply for a bereaved partner application for indefinite leave to remain, even though you have just been granted 2.5 years, and the 2.5 years has not been that you were given to. It wasn't long at all. It doesn't matter to the policy or the guidance of the Home Secretary, Lady Priti Patel policy. So at such, because she's a lady, Lady Priti Patel policy, at such, the government says that you must have a valid application. So when you are a partner of someone who has British passport or indefinite leave to remain, and unfortunately in between the journey, the partner died. If your partner dies as a result of one problem or the other, but you guys were in a relationship, genuine relationship, otherwise you'll be giving the Secretary of State power to prove your case. You'll be giving her power. So you must be in a genuine relationship. Once you are in a genuine relationship, you will be able to demonstrate that you are entitled, but you must be making application for indefinite leave to remain. So it doesn't even matter. The government says, if before the relevant 5 years or 10 years probation period is completed, so if you're granted unlimited leave, you are granted on a 5 years route or 10 years route, as long as there is a genuine relationship. So you need marriage certificate. You need marriage certificate. A lot of people are in relationship without marriage certificate. You definitely need marriage certificate. You need marriage certificate. And once you have your marriage certificate and you have evidence that on the death of your partner, you guys were living together as man and woman, husband and wife. If you were living together on his or her death, and there is a death certificate issued that the person dies, then you'll be entitled to apply for indefinite leave to remain. It is not one of those that you can wish wash, or just, think you can bypass the relevant requirements. So in that sense, you will need to demonstrate that you have been living together. During COVID period, I have a lot of ladies that called me that their husband died, their partner dies. But what actually prevented them from the opportunity to go on this ladder was because there was no marriage certificate and there was no, they have not applied for limited leave to remain. But they have been living together for 4 years, 5 years. They have been living together for 4 years, 5 years. I don't know whether Secretary of State will find a way to start, looking into those areas, because there are few people in that category that needed the help of the Secretary of State, So there has to be an issue of death certificate. So if you're a partner, a proposed partner, a fiancé, or you are a bereaved partner, you will be entitled to eligibility requirements. You will be entitled to make application to remain in the UK. You'll be entitled to make application, but you should be aware that there are documentation you have to put in place. So you have to put certain documents in place. The most important amongst is evidence that you guys were living together genuinely. Please always underline the word genuinely. You have to be living together genuinely, and you must have an intention to live permanently in the United Kingdom, an intention to live permanently in the UK. Once you have those things in place, then you will be ready to submit to the Secretary of State, which is also similar to those who are fleeing domestic violence. But I think that should be another topic entirely, for another day, so that we don't mix them together, because they are slightly different. But concentrate on bereaved partner. The most important thing, there must be a marriage certificate. There must be a marriage certificate. If you don't have marriage certificate, it will affect your application. It will affect your application. But then, if you even then you don't have it, as long as you have been living together, you were granted limited leave to remain, there is evidence that your relationship is genuine and you were in the UK upon death, and there is an intention to live in the UK and make UK your permanent home. If you don't have intention to make UK your permanent home, you'll be asked to leave on the death of your partner. You will be asked to return back to your country of origin. Okay? You will be asked to return back to your country of origin. So that is the issue on the issue of applying under a partner that has British passport but unfortunately passed away in the journey. So you should take that into account. So you need to demonstrate that at the time of partner's death, the relationship between you and your partner, it was genuine and is subsisting, you know. So each of the parties must have intention to make UK their permanent home. An intention to make UK their permanent home is crucial. It's crucial. So if you look at that, then you know that you know what you needed from the government. You need to look about the time of the application, the decision. You know, normally if you are successful, you will be granted indefinite leave to remain. So a lot of people from limited leave to remain, you will jump to indefinite. That area, I need to say kudos to the Secretary of State Policy in that realm. So that is it. I don't want to keep you too long because it's a Monday morning. I have a lot of things to do and I have a lot of clients on my timetable today to attend to online. So I need to go. Ladies and gentlemen, my number is on 0208 309 8808. 0208 309 8808. I am always available to answer questions that's bothering your mind or that bothers you or that is affecting your thinking. How do I do it? How do I stay in the UK? Am I going to be cut out? Would I be able to stay? I am always available. I am always available to answer your questions. So be rest assured that I am there for you, you know, to deal with the question that's bothering your mind. It doesn't matter which nationality or origin you are from. Nigerian, Ghana, Jamaica, Pakistan, India, doesn't matter to me. Kenya, Gambia, Uganda, Namibia, Nairobi, it doesn't matter to me. Malawi, it doesn't matter. Anywhere you are from in the world, I'll treat you all equally. Because my primary objective is to assist those who cannot help themselves in this situation, to educate them, to give them the confidence they need, and to boost their morale. You know, a lot of people, you'll be shocked, that are entitled to make application to the Secretary of State, but they are scared. They are very scared because they think that if they make application, they are going to arrest them. No one is going to arrest anyone. No one is arresting anyone. No one is arresting anyone. If you are entitled to apply, contact me on 0208 309 8808. Part of my job in the diaspora is to make sure that I check your requirements during consultation. If it's going to be successful, I will advise you to proceed. If you're not going to be successful, I will tell you not to proceed. But one thing you must not do with me, you cannot lie. You cannot misrepresent facts. I don't play jokes. I don't play games. I am very straightforward and very direct with my work. My yes is my yes and my no is my no. So if it's not going to be successful, I will tell you not to waste your money. There is nothing God has not done for me, and I'm proud to say it publicly. There is nothing God hasn't done for me. So I won't lie. I won't lie to you. I will not deceive you. I will tell you the truth. But please always do consultation. Always do consultation. Consultation is easily affordable. I didn't put it on an high street like Chance Street Lane 250 per hour. Because as a 16 years qualified lawyer, I'm entitled to charge you $250 per hour. But I didn't do that. I didn't do that because I really want to help people. I really want to help people because God is helping me as well. God is helping me, so I really want to help people. But don't come to me and lie to me. When you come to me, please tell me the truth and I will tell you the answer to the problem. I will analyze your situation and I will tell you answer to the problem. Until next time, take care, Lawyer Tokunbo Olagbaye, 0208 309 8808 or WhatsApp 07908 628240. You will get answer quickly on WhatsApp 07908 628240. Thank you. Bye for now.